Okay, Scratchers, yes, welcome back to a new series. So we're going to start doing all the Scratch tutorials there are. So our first tutorial is going to be getting started. We might do animate a name as well in the next tutorial in the same video, because yeah, the tutorials aren't that long actually, so they're quite easy and simple. So we can start with the first tutorial. And we go here. So first they say add a move block. So the move block makes it move forward for a while. Okay, and then you can see every time I click this, then this arrow, this green flag shows up. That means that there is code running when that shows. Okay, now add a move block, and then here they also say add. They say say hello for 2 seconds. So we can add that as well. So now we'll do that, and you can see that goes on for long because it's waiting 2 seconds for that to say hello. Okay, now let's say click the green flag to start. So instead you can add this thing when green flag clicked. So then we do that, and then it does it. And we can stop it much faster just by clicking this ready to stop thing. You see it says stop when I hover over it. Alright, and that's the tutorial basically. And I think we're going to do animate a name as well today, because these tutorials are very short and simple. So animate a name. Okay, so we're going to have to animate DatAlles. Okay, so we're going to clear up all of it, and they say, so today we're going to be looking at, now we're going to be looking at the selecting things. So you can upload from your computer if you want to. You can get a surprise, you can paint one, or you can choose one from the library, or you can just click here as well when you go to your library. Now we're gonna have to look. Now this is showing all the different costumes there are. There's a lot, so it's going to be difficult. But here we see letters, and that's where they want us. So now we can choose a letter for us to animate in. I say we're going to choose these letters here. So you can drag letters like this as well if you click on them in the area, but you can't drag them when you're in full screen mode, because then it's like running how you're supposed to run. Okay, and then you can also select these things, and you can change which order they are if you want to, but that doesn't really matter unless you want to keep things organized and stuff. So which I'm doing. Okay, so oh wait, I'm missing an A. Whoa, I don't even know how to spell DatAlles. Okay, so we need to select, move it all up, up. Alright, so now I think that should go there. So DatAlles. Okay, this is everything, guys. Okay, so we picked a letter sprite. Now play a sound when that sprite is clicked. Okay, so now we're gonna have to doing a lot. Okay, we're gonna have to a lot of code. So we go here, and then we can see when sprite clicked. Okay, then we have like, so every time when this owl is clicked. Okay, let's start with the first one. Okay, so we can now record a sound. Rather, I'm going to try record a sound instead. Okay, let's see. Okay, we're going to record DatAlles. Okay, but we're going to, with this we're going to just make D. Duh. Yeah. Okay. Duh. Duh. Yeah, that's all we want. Just a duh. Duh. So now it's gonna play. Now we can rename the recording duh. So it's just gonna play like a D sound. Start sound duh. Okay. Now with A, we're gonna say Okay. Record. Yeah. That's basically what we want. Okay, and then we're gonna rename that And then we're gonna just basically have the same code running every time with similar code like that. Now we see there's 3 A's, so I'm going to just like hover this over each A, and it's going to copy and paste that into each A, which is a really nice setting. Okay, so now we're going to go to T. So we're going to record a T, T, T. I think that one went loud a bit though. Whoops. T. And then we're just going to have the same code again. Okay, and now we got 2 L's, so we just need to do 1. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, that's how you pronounce the L, right? Ooh. Ooh. It doesn't sound so nice, actually. Oh well. It doesn't matter, it's gonna sound funny in the end. That's all that matters. But I just realized something. I'm not sure if the sound is being carried over. So this won't play anything because it doesn't have that sound. So actually what you need to do is take the sound file from up here. Just take it and hover it over, and then also copies over. So I'm going to quickly do that with all the A's as well. Okay, and then this S as well. S, S, S. Yeah, that's how you say S, right? S, like a snake. Alright, okay, and then when this right clicked. Okay, so now da, ta, ooh, s. Now da, ta, ooh, s, da. I feel like you can like, if you just hover your mouse over it. Da, ooh, s. Yeah, we can change the color. Oh, yeah, let's do that as well, so it can change color. And so now we're gonna add to all of these, just change color by 25 every time you click it. But they're all gonna be playing and they're all gonna be changing color. It's just gonna be so funny. Alright, change color. No, let's change size. Change color effect 25. Hey, got COVID effect? Drink more. No, I'm joking. Alright, so just gonna, we can actually just like click on each one, and we're just gonna do this. Color effect. Oh. Da. That's how you say my name backwards, guys. Okay. Da. Ta. S. S. Ta. Da. Now we have DatAlles. Okay. Okay. Wait, let's see. Can we make it green? Da. Yes. Ta. S. S. Yeah, let's do that. It's funny. Jolly well funny, you say? And then we can make it rotate. I'm not sure if I wanted to make it rotate though. Do I? Should I? Wait, point direction 90. Okay, so gonna have to repeat. If that's turning 15, okay, let's just make that repeat that 10 times. And we'll just say that on 8. Just 18 actually, I think. I think that should do. Oh wait, we wanted to turn 360. Whoops. I forgot. Yeah, so every time when you click on it, then it's gonna rotate. So now, I think I'm gonna add it to some letters. And then I'm gonna make a new one. Okay. So I think this one, okay. And then like we can make it rotate the other direction. Turn the other direction. Alright, so. Alright, so now
da ta ooh s.
And it's so funny. Okay, now we can make them grow. Wait, here, size by 10, and then change size by -10, and just like repeat twice. Wait, -10. And for this one, I'm just gonna add like a new script. This way, the two scripts run together at the same time, and that can make it look cool. If we do this,
Da.
did you see that? That was cool. Okay, let's make that change like I'm just gonna, or like just 1 and -1. I'm just gonna repeat 36 times. So it runs at the same speed.
Da.
Oh wait, I think 18 times. That should be.
Da.
Yeah, that looks cool. I see. And then we're just gonna copy and paste the same script over to every letter, to make them all run right after each other.
Ooh s. Ooh ta ooh s.
Look what I did to the T.
Ta 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 ta.
Why is that one rotating? The last day didn't rotate.
Da. Ta.
This T. Okay, now how do we fix that? It's very simple. We just say, first we say 0.90 degrees, and then we say set size to 100%. Why did I double click on it? Set size to 100%, 0.90 degrees, and there we go.
Da ta ooh s. Da ta ooh s.
Alright, and then that's it. So now I'm going to quickly write a code, and I'll see you guys just now. Okay, so we're just going to add a backdrop. I think we're going to have like pattern 1, I don't know. Yeah. And we're going to move everything. Code isn't running, you can see when I'm clicking on it, so there must be something, right? I'm going to show you what it is. It's this. Yeah, so it says DatAlles, right? It does sound it, right? Wait, and then we're just going to have like, let's add a sound here. We're just going to record it. It's going to be like DatAlles. Okay. And then we're just going to have sound play recording. DatAlles. It takes long. It's fast. This thing is faster. I'm gonna say wait until like it's all done. I think it's like 1. Let's just say 2 seconds. It waits 2 seconds. DatAlles. And then we can add another recording. Subscribe. Okay. And then I'm just gonna have this ta in as well here. Let me get over. Go. What? Sound doesn't go all the way over to here. Oh well, then I'm just gonna record 1. 2. Alright. And then we're just gonna have it play sound recording. 2. Play sound recording 3. Play sound recording 1. After that, but it's just gonna work. Okay.
DatAlles. Subscribe to DatAlles.
Yeah, did you hear that? Subscribe to DatAlles, guys. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We had fun creating this thing. It's not that much, but like we also did the getting started, which was a very short one. I'll see, maybe we'll probably do one at a time after this, because these ones do look like they're a bit longer actually. I'm surprised at how long this one was. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video next week.